Hi, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. If you're new around here, my name is Matthias, and as usual, I'll be your bus driver for today. And in this episode, we will travel from Lessebo to Växjö, and in Växjö, we will clean the bus on the outside but also on the inside. We will also go and fuel up this bus, so sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, lovely people, we have arrived to Ekeberg in Växjö. It's time to fuel up the bus. Let's go. So the first thing we do is we open up this one. And here we have the hose. And you have to put it in off. I don't know how much you can see. Then we remove this rubber. And then we connect the hose. And now it's connected. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the code. Otherwise, I have to kill you. Just joking. It's time to rock and roll. Pump number 2. And from here, we just press start. And 1 kilogram of biogas costs 28.95 Swedish crowns per kilo. Okay, lovely people, now we have arrived to our city depot to bus wash this beauty. Unfortunately, the bus washer was damaged, so we won't be able to clean the bus on the outside, but that doesn't stop me from cleaning the bus on the inside. The only cleaning equipment I have is a brush. I have no access to water, so I cannot mop the floor. As you can see, there's a lot of salt, and when it melts, you see all these gray patterns on the floor. So we just have to use the brush. As I said, I don't have any access to water since the washing station was damaged for some reason. I don't know why. As I mentioned earlier, we have no access to water, so we can only brush the floor. I will not bore you, so we will speed up this one. Woo! So that went smooth. I'm not your typical guy who goes to the gym and work out. Maybe I should, but I'm too fat, bald, and lazy to do that. I'm too comfortable sitting here and driving the bus. Anyway, so we have a roughly clean bus, and we have 100% fuel in the tank, and we are ready to rock and roll. So now we're going to Växjö city, and from there we're driving to Lessebo. So stay tuned.